Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with your PC or laptop. And to do this, first we'll need to get a USB cable, one that ends with USB-C that will be connecting it to our phone, and then another end is USB-A. You can get anything else that allows you to connect it with your PC. Now let's plug it in. Right after that, your phone should start charging, but probably we won't get any access to our files. Nope, there's no internal storage. Now to actually unlock it, we'll need to get to our phone and allow access to storage files. And here's internal storage on our PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.